Open up your MTT, date it for today's date, and title it Slope Formula. The slope formula that we're going to be working with is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The first thing that you're going to be given is ordered pairs. You're going to need to label those ordered pairs. So 2 is x1, 5 is y1, 3 is x2, 6 is y2. Now we're going to write the formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now we're going to do substitution. y2 is 6 minus y1 is 5 divided by x2 is 3 minus x1, which is 2. Add a line, change the sign, add a line, change the sign. M is equal to 1 over 1. So our slope is 1 over 1, and it is a positive slope because our ratio is positive. Number 2, label your parts. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Write your formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M is equal to the substitution step. So we're going to do negative 3 minus 9 and negative 4 minus 5. Add a line, change the sign, add a line, change the sign. M is equal to negative 12 over negative, negative 9. So we're going to have a fraction that we need to simplify. So hate to hate is a positive, so it's going to be m is equal to 12 ninths, but of course that can be simplified, so m is equal to 4 thirds. Okay, I just caught an error, so let's go back. This 5 should have been a negative 5, which then makes this negative 4 minus a negative 5. When we add a line, change the sign, that now makes the 9 a positive 1. Okay, so that's going to change our slope. So our slope is now going to be negative 12 over 1. And so our slope is going to be negative. So we have positive slope, we have negative slope. Next one, x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Formula. Now we're going to do our substitution step. Substitution step is going to be 1 minus 1 over negative 6 minus 6. We're going to add a line and change the sign, add a line and change the sign. So we're going to have m is equal to 0 over negative 12. This is going to be a 0 slope. x1, y1, x2, y2. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Substitute. 8 minus 6 over 4 minus 4. Add a line, change the sign, add a line, change the sign. M is equal to 2 over 0. This is an undefined slope. So you can see that we have 4 kinds of slope: positive, negative, 0, undefined. We can also use the formula to find a missing coordinate. So we're going to go ahead and write the formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's go up and label our coordinates. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we're going to do our substitution step. This time we know what m is. So m is 1/2 is equal to 3 minus 2 over 6 minus r. Now we have a variable in there, so we're going to have to put this inside of parentheses so that we can butterfly. This is going to be 1 over 2, add a line, change the sign, which is going to give us 1, let's erase that so it doesn't look like a negative, okay, which is going to give us 1 over 6 minus r. We're going to go ahead and butterfly. So we're going to have 6 minus r is equal to 2. 0 pair out the 6, negative r is equal to negative 4. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, r is equal to positive 4. Okay, let's try another one. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Our m is going to be 4. So 4 over 1, because of course slope has to be a fraction, is equal to negative 5 minus 3 r minus 5. Add a line, change the sign. So we have 4 over 1 is equal to negative 8. Remember to put your parentheses in where your r is, so it's going to be r minus 5. And now we're ready to go ahead and butterfly. Butterfly, your first wing is always your variable, so it's going to be 4 times r minus 5 is equal to negative 8. Now this one we're going to have to do a rainbow. So we have 4r, add a line, change the sign, plus negative 20 is equal to negative 8. 0 pair out the 20. So we have 4r is equal to 12. Divide by 4, divide by 4, r is equal to 3. Last one. This one is my x1, y1, x2, y2. Now this one, if you want to go ahead and work ahead and solve it and then check it, you can do that. Formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Substitution. We know that m is 0, so it's going to be 0 over 1 because that's our slope. And we're going to do 6 minus r, and we're going to do 4 minus 7. Add a line, change the sign. Add a line, change the sign, put in my parentheses. And now I'm going to go ahead and butterfly. So this is going to give me 6 plus negative r is equal to, and 0 times anything is going to be 0. So we're going to 0 pair out the negative 6. Negative r is equal to negative 6. Remember that this is a negative 1, so we're going to divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. R is equal to 6. And that's how you use the slope formula.